Get in.
Welcome to the video.
No.
Welcome to the video. We got this box building. We built up it.
Okay. Unboxing.
No boxing. We'll see.
What's what?
Tape.
Yep. Look out. Sharp.
Sharp! It's scary.
Okay.
Where's the boxing? What's that?
Paper. Oh.
A truck!
Woo.
Build
Okay, go. What do you say? Wes,
build this and
say hello and
it's a
welcome.
monster truck and the guy and the guy and the guy and let's build this.
Okay, what do we gotta do first?
Yeah, red.
Okay, look out, Sharp.
Sharp. Wow. Wow.
Time for some unboxing.
The boxing? There's a door. There's more in there.
That it?
Ooh.
Okay, this is Lego City 60027 Monster Truck Transporter. Another semi flatbed truck. We like trucks in this household. Looks like one of our bags has sprung a leak. Wes, can you get those pants? So we have a handful of pieces loose. We got 1, 2, 3, 4
We
bags.
got 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 bags.
Those 2 pieces.
Those 2 pieces.
Stickers.
Stickers.
2 instructions.
Instructions.
And there was bag number 1 that was split. This was from Bricklink, but it was factory sealed, still factory sealed, and the split looks, just happened from rubbing around or stuff. It doesn't look like it was cut or anything like that, so
There's the trucks.
I
Wow.
feel pretty confident still.
1, 2,
All right,
3,
let's
4.
build something.
Are we building something?
Yep. Bag 1.
Tires. Stretching tires. Stretching tires. These goes on there.
Yeah, they do.
I'm gonna try it. Help me.
You can do it.
I can't. I just roll it on
No.
floor.
Don't just throw it on the floor. Here, I'll do it.
Mm.
These are the same tires as off his Volcano Rescue, that only one side is finished. So, yeah, putting these in wrong. Usually it doesn't matter because you just turn around the whole thing, but
Wow. Look at these.
fenders.
I do Legos.
You say I love you, Legos?
Yeah.
That's awesome.
I'm building a tower.
Are you?
Yeah. What's the tire?
You want to build the guy?
Mhm.
Where's his pants? Here's his pants. Where are my pants? Honey, where are my pants?
They're backwards.
You got his pants on backwards?
Yeah.
Put them on the right way.
And his face is backwards.
No, everything's right except for his paint. And his helmet. His helmet.
He's the bicycle one.
I think this is an older set, but not
He's
too old.
crashing the tires. Oh!
Alright, bag number 2. Looks like the two. Great. Bag 4. I've not seen it complete yet. Look, drive over the ramp, bud. Pretty impressive jump. Oh no. What's gonna happen? What are you gonna do? Hey, there it is. Fine machine.
A fire machine.
Drives right on, right off. Pretty easy.
Joker. A joker.
Now,
There's a joker.
that is a Joker.
Joker.
Let's look at its predecessor, or the, I guess after.
Oh, he crashed.
Okay, so
Beep, beep.
wait. The dragster one is slightly larger.
It's fine.
Pretty much the same height. Let's do a side by side of the tractor.
Beep, beep, beep. One hookup.
Both a 6 wide.
That one.
I guess this blue one's slightly taller. I will say that they made an improvement on the bumper for the blue one. The whole front. I like the front end better here. But I will say that, yes, we got fuel tanks, but leaving this open frame back here, I don't know. The stacks, I like these stacks better. And Wes is already doing the one test. Do the trailers marry up on each other? Yes, they do, so they can both haul the other one's freight. Now let's take a look at another semi. The new release police semi mobile command center. Now this is an 8 wide trailer. The monster truck is an 8 wide trailer. The dragster is a 6 wide. except for the very end of the dragster is where the ramps are, is 8. So this is a much more utilitarian, less racing looking, arguably less detailed in general than either any of those. This blue one is an awfully pretty looking semi. Though I think it could benefit from the air horns. I don't like that these stacks flip down so easily.
There's a dog.
There's a dog.
Yeah, in there.
So let's see if we marry up
Where's that dog?
this way.
A dog in there.
It's a little bit low, but it works. Oh, it's low because we lost our pinion. Okay. There, okay, yep. She drives there. A little bit low there. Still works. That will not pull that monster truck. And it won't turn there, so police truck loses that one as far as compatibility trailer wise. Another trailer to try here. That
Yeah.
kind of ugly.
This is this one. This is faster than this
That's a
one.
little bit tall too, a little bit ugly. Ah,
Yeah, it goes fast.
it does.
What's this? What's the trail?
And
This one.
that pulls it really well. The blue one.
I doing that.
Okay.
It's on there.
Does it?
Yeah.
And the last one to compare is our
It pulls this one.
mock semi.
It pulls this one. It pulls that.
Really long. This is a construction, a heavy equipment trailer.
It pulls that.
Hard cargo. Probably haul.
It pulls
Yep.
this. It pulls that one.
You can almost haul the semi. Haul a helicopter if you want.
Yeah.
But
That fits on
obviously
there.
this one is much wider. This is only a 4 wide.
Don't. See, it don't fit.
Nope. But detail wise, I'd say this Mach 1 has a lot more detail. And I could probably do better now if I wanted to.
Yeah. It fits on there.
Let's see if
It fits on there.
Mach will pull the
It
trailers.
fits. No. It
Will
fits
not pull
on
that one.
This one. It fits it. It fits.
If it'll pull the police.
Oh.
It will pull the police trailer. Let me see that dragster trailer, bud.
Huh?
Let me see the dragster trailer. The race car trailer. It will not pull that one. Let me see the fuel tanker. But it will pull the fuel tanker. Okay, so it's our monster truck. And the others, you tell me which one you like. I'm a little bit partial to this guy here. Just look what all he's got. All kinds of cargo. This police truck one is really neat. It's a police truck, utilitarian. And I think you guys, if you've watched my channel, you know the story behind this one, why there's no tractor, because it didn't look like a semi-trailer, and just one rear end, and the front looked like a little airport tugger, which I think is supposed to be an airport fuel truck, but it didn't look like a semi at all, so it didn't last very long. Yep. Here's our monster truck. Hey, really nice build. Pretty happy with it. Kind of one of those bummer that they discontinued it, but they do that, you know, about every 2 years now with the city stuff.
I want to do that.
Sure.
Okay. There's this monster truck. It's pretty cool.
Okay. You want to do it over the ramp?
Yeah. Ow!
All right.
Boom!
Well, there's your official review. And until next time.
Ow!
Hey.
Next time. Happy building.